You gon' bust it for the team, or what? Let my ass bitch on scene, for what? You gon' drop it to your knees, or what? Make it clap, make it...
Hey boos, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video is, very exciting news. Oh, what I got a pool, and we're about to set it up, and I'm so excited, and I have to take out everything out of this box and put it in my backyard, so you're gonna see me struggle. So if you're new here, my name is danyelanyssa, and you get to subscribe and turn on your bell notification. So let's get this video started and see me struggle. This is my OOTD. So, y'all. Yes. I'm gonna do this. This is what it looks like inside. Just boxes. So I'm gonna try to take them out. Instruction is freaking hot in here.
No.
Yes, one done. Woo! YouTube videos just went out. So my video just came out, so go check it out. So let's keep really this struggle. I'm not. Weakness in here right now.
Few moments later.
So weak.
A few inches later.
Weak.
2 hours later.
I'm on my tippy toes.
One eternity later.
You can do this. Oh. Oh my god. To the backyard. He's here. You're here, bitch. Look at my skin's doing so good right now. I better not get any acne because I'm sweating a lot and I haven't worked out like this. I haven't been out in the sun like this in forever. So this is the first time I think my dad's been on my vlog. So let's see. Sweating balls. Today's like a perfect day to be in the pool, but you know, other things happen. You haven't added me on Snap yet. Go add me right there. Danyel13. What you waiting for? Hurry up. Say hello to my vlog.
What?
You're welcome.
What?
Say want me my video.
Oh.
Me struggling. I couldn't carry the other boxes. Okay, I couldn't carry it like. Hey Moose, happy 4th of July! Today's 4th of July. I have my pull-up already set up, and these are the gifts that my boyfriend got me, and these are these floaties. I got this flamingo, and I got this little rainbow glitter float, and I also have a glitter tube. And this is what my mom gave me for 4th of July. Just cute little things. I got gift cards. Wanna say hi? Hey! I can't see you. No. We're making s'mores. There's a jumbo. Is this even cooking? Oh. I gotta breathe. Damn, bring it. Oh my god, my face is getting tight. Here, let me see.
This is not a fire. I need a freaking fire.
I don't even see any.
Look at full moon.
Wasn't that one yesterday?
There we go.
What's right?
Fritos.
Easy now.
Look at that. That looks pretty on here.
We should have more fun.
Hey Luz, welcome back. It's already, I think, like 10 something at night for me. And I just took a shower. I did my skincare. I had to put a little bit of antibiotics on around my lip because I was like burning. CeraVe 50 SPF sunscreen for your face, but that was drying my face out so bad. So like I'm gonna stop using it, and like my face was getting so tight, so I'm trying to let it heal. And it started like cracking, burning around my lips. That's why I put that triple antibiotic. And I don't know if y'all saw, I did some s'mores, did some fireworks. I'll put in other clips of me in the pool. Y'all are not, but happy 4th of July. I hope y'all guys are having a great and amazing day. I hope y'all are being safe, eating good, spending time with family, of course. And I I wanted to say thank you guys so much for like supporting me, and you know, we're growing so fast, and I want to appreciate each and one of y'all making me come closer to my dream by hitting 1K or almost there. I can't believe that. I never thought I was gonna hit it and do things, and if you just keep praying, your dreams will come true. And I'll play clips of my mom's little decorations in the house, and then I don't know if I'll show y'all my little bucket that she makes me every holiday. So I got a little goodie basket. I'm so tired. I'm so like so tired. I want to relax and just watch some YouTube and probably jump in back in the pool tomorrow, because I don't waste no time. I don't waste no time. When I have a pool, I get in there every day at least, because like why would you want to sit in out there and not enjoying it? Like, I don't know. I've never had a pool like this in my life, so like I'm taking advantage. I don't know, that's just me, but like I'm so grateful I got that pool because it's like so much fun. It's like 4 feet deep, I'm guessing, because it's like really close to like right here for me. And I can swim, I can do handstands, I can do backflips, I can do front flips. Your girl can do anything now. I don't have to go to no community pool or anything. I got my own pool, peaceful and quiet. You feel me? Yes. And my skin though, but this ointment's making me extra glossy. I might wake up tomorrow morning with so much oils on my face.
No fucking shit.
But yeah, I want to come back on here because I didn't really talk to you that much, and I wanted to like spend some time with you guys. Hopefully I'll be fine by like Monday. Yeah, so I want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And be on the bell notification, be notified every time I post a new video. And I hope y'all enjoy my vlog. Hopefully this will be a vlog. Most likely. My first 4th of July vlog. Yeah. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see y'all later. Bye guys.